Hello class. In this example, we are given two functions, and the idea is to evaluate the composition of fog of 3 using again these two graphs. So on the left side, we have the graph of f right here in blue. Let me get blue. And then in red, right here on the right, we have the graph of g. So to do this composition, recall again the order. So the fog of 3 means we're going to plug in the number 3 into g. So g of 3, we have to figure out what that is first, and then that answer gets plugged into f. So let's start out with g of 3. G of 3 requires us to use the function g, which is this one right here on the right. So let me zoom in on this, where x is equal, this is my x-axis, looking at x is equal to 3. We see that the y value is 1. So g of 3 equals 1. And what we're going to now do is get that answer that we got from here, this output value, okay, which is this, and we're going to plug in that answer into f. So now let's evaluate f when x is 1. So same idea is now we're going to look at the function on the left side, f. Look along the x-axis, find where x equals 1, which is right here, and we see that we have the point when x is equal to 1, the graph has a y value of -3. So the output value here, -3, is the composition of the entire thing. So the fog of 3 is -3. And that's it. So this is how you use again the graph to evaluate your composition. You're just simply looking for your y values, and the concept again for any composition, and evaluate any composition, you plug in the initial value into the inner function, or in this case the function on the right side of this symbol, and then that answer gets plugged in to the function on the left side of that symbol, which with a graph is just simply identifying what the corresponding y values are, the output values for the respective inputs.